Today I have the Boss's Ford Super Duty F450 Dually. He has the Fuel Box Combo FTC80 with our auto fuel controller system. And with that, it has an inline fuel pump and fuel filter. And so you do want to change that filter regular maintenance. So today we're going to show you how to do that. It's super simple. We're going to show you where it's located. If you didn't do the install, we'll show you where that's at. You can still change that filter yourself. We'll show you what the filter is and the parts you'll need. And we're going to get right to it. Now the part and tools we are going to be needing to get this job done of changing that inline fuel filter for the auto fuel controller is the filter itself. We have here a Napa Gold filter, part number 3270. We have 2 hose crimp pliers, and some wire cutters. And this here will be all you need to get the job done. Alright, so today we're doing this job on our lift, which obviously makes it a lot easier, but you can still do this at home in your driveway with a creeper, which would be easier, or just lying on your back. You can still get the job done. For the auto fuel controller pump and filter, you are going to find it up underneath where the filler neck is located. So we're going to show you a close-up of where it is. If you did not do the install, you'll be able to find it yourself under there, either mounted on a bed stiffener or along the frame rail. Here, this one is mounted right on the bed stiffener. Okay, now we are going to take those hose crimp pliers and you're going to be placing one right before the fuel filter. That is the hose line coming from your fuel box. And then you'll place the second one on that hose in between the pump and the filter. And just to make sure, when you are changing this fuel filter, it is directional. You will see an arrow there on the filter itself. So just make sure you're putting this in the right direction. You want the arrow pointing towards the fuel pump. Now we'll just be taking the pliers and moving those hose clamps back. Put the new filter right on the hose. And there you have it. You have your new fuel filter replaced for the auto fuel controller pump. This is very important to keep the life longer on your fuel pump. You want to do this at minimum every 6 months or more frequently, depending on how often you're using your auto fuel control system and running fuel through it. As you can see, this pump has gone a long time, and it's still going to keep going a long time because he changes his fuel filter regularly. And there you have it. We changed the inline fuel filter for your auto fuel controller system, and this ends our how-to video for today. We'll be coming back with more how-to videos for you guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can reach us at our email or phone number, which is 559-739-0818. All the information will be listed below. Hope you guys have a great day.